You've seen the original. Ciao, I love cannons. Here comes the sequel to the simple sneeze that started it all. At church, yeah! May the Lord be with you. And also you. You're gold to be king meat. We are gathered here today to bless the one known as Jackyjess. Jackie has sneezed at 11 o'clock this morning. This beautiful, holy, blessed day. Jackie, may the Lord in heaven bless you. May he bless your very soul and your heart. Let's thank the Lord for keeping young Jackie safe, healthy, while recovering from this sneeze, giving him another chance at life. Let Jackie boy breathe. He's living, you know. Yeah. He's gonna blow. Get out now. Out, 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 out. Thanks, no boy, my comfort Toonsters. No prob. Wow, your glasses got wrecked. Psh, please, we'll get those fixed anytime. Let's get some pizza. No, no. I can't. Oh, dang it. Here we go again. Bless you. Aw, you poor thing. Gadzooks, his nose is dripping. Seriously? Dun. What the flap is wrong with you?